Good afternoon and welcome to this episode of Manufacturing Happy Hour. I'm your host, Chris Mookie, and we are coming at you live from Rockwell Automation on the Move in San Ramon, California. Today, we're here to talk to you about how MagneMotion independent cart technology can help you increase your throughput in your process. I am joined once again by my local solutions architect, Vinod Anandarajah. Cheers, Vinod.
Cheers.
Welcome to the show.
Thanks, Chris.
So Vinod, tell us a little about independent cart technology. How is it different from traditional conveying technologies?
Okay, so traditional conveying technologies, you're going to have a fixed conveyor belt, right? And it's controlled by a servo motor and some mechanical couplings. In our magnetic conveying solution, you can see that every cart is independently controlled. There is no moving parts, and therefore there's less energy consumed and there's less maintenance. You don't have the moving parts like belts and chains. So with the magnetic system, you have the magnetic motor, and then you have a magnet array that sits on the bottom of each cart. So you can see that each cart is independently controlled, and the value is that you can service parts independently. So like it's a robot. Versus you can have them all come together and do a process where you're servicing 4 or 5 parts at the same time and not reducing your throughput.
And how does something like this work? Because I mean, this looks like a process where it would be very easy for something to collide into one another. What's the architecture and the software behind this that powers it?
Right. So the control architecture with our MagneMotion system, we actually have a separate node controller, and that sits on Ethernet. So that node controller, we have sample code that sits in our Logix controller. Okay, so you can send all the commands from Logix. Unlike a traditional motion system, you just tell it the destination on where you need to go, and our system is intelligent enough to handle all the collision detection. So if you look here, all of these pucks are queuing up, and we do all the math for you so that they're not going to collide. That's the intelligence. The other aspect of it is if you look at over here, we have a merge and divert. So unlike a traditional conveyor, you can actually branch off. Let's say you have a reject part, you can kick that off onto a different track, or you can merge in, and that's all handled automatically in the software.
Excellent. Well, Vinod, thank you for the overview today. Cheers.
Cheers.
Always a pleasure having you on the show. In the meantime, if you want more information on MagneMotion, please hit us up locally. And stay innovative, stay thirsty, and we'll see you again here on Manufacturing Happy Hour soon. Cheers, folks.